Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband just bought a fishing boat for my son and they needed an anchor. And we found one that is absolutely amazing. Let me tell you about it. My family and I are so pleased with this anchor. It has a lot of features on it that we love and that I want to tell you about. I think the best thing about it is how compact it is. We don't have a very big boat, so the fact that this thing folds up so nicely and so compactly and is easy to store was a big feature for us. So it's still secure though, and that was what was surprising to us. We can really tug on this thing and you can see it's stuck in the ground. It's not going anywhere. So the fact that it's lightweight, it's only 3.5 pounds, and the fact that it sticks so well is really something that we liked. Some other things that we really like about this is this strong carabiner. The rope is double braided, so it's easy to move about and it's very strong. It's not going to break on you. I love this float. It's adjustable, so you can put it at whatever depth you want, and it's bright yellow, so you're not going to lose sight of it. I just want to highlight again real quick how easy this is to use. Even my 11-year-old son can use this anchor without any problem. He can lock it in place, and then you're not going to have any trouble with grip when it's in the water. And then it's also very easy to just put back together, to twist the top on so that it's locked in place and easy to store. So this little anchor has been phenomenal. It's compact, it's lightweight, and it's super great. And that's my point of view.